Curry tell us what you're doing today?
We're doing some handles. All right. And so then when you kind of got sort of like a little log, now you're going to start, you want to pull some of the clay from the middle out to the ends, but you want to maintain kind of like a barbell shape.
Oh,
Okay.
Sure.
Or like a bone shape.
With a little bit bulky at the end.
Mm-hmm. So you can kind of squeeze this out like that.
Like a Tootsie Roll.
Yep. Mm-hmm. It is in Tootsie Roll stage now.
Okay, there we are. Ooh, he's going fast.
He knows what he's doing. It's just being recorded. I'm recording you.
See, the reason he's not using both his palms is because then our knuckles makes it.
So are you still trying to keep it kind of square? Squared?
Not really squared. I'm just really trying to move some of the clay from the middle to the outside.
So you're smushing in the middle and then you're moving out.
Right? Mm-hmm. Before, but
My fingers are best giant.
all right. And so then once you've kind of got this, see how it sort of widens to each end and narrows in the middle.
Yeah. Does it have to be rounder or squarer?
I would say more round.
Of course.
All right. And so then once you kind of got that shape, you want to sort of squeeze each end. Okay. And so this is where you'll kind of see that you want to kind of try to oval it off.
Are you making a single handle?
Mm-hmm.
And it's for a big mug, so it's so big.
Right, exactly. Yep. Mm-hmm.
Clay's dry.
Mm-hmm. All right, and then you can kind of pat this down a little bit.
It's almost like a bone.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
This is not good.
All right, and so then once you kind of have this bone shape, get you a little bit of water.
Pardon me.
Okay. Now you're putting.
Now I'm going to pull it just a little bit, not a ton.
And you're rounding it as
Mm-hmm. Yep.
And you're
I'm gonna
stopping at the big end. You're not
Right, because I want to keep clay in the end, and then I'll turn it over and sort of. And then I'm trying to narrow the edges a little bit. All right, so now got it kind of smoothed out.
I'm just gonna hide.
You just want to see.
Crickets.
You can kind of lay it out on the table, kind of how you want it.
I missed the whole thing.
Do not show this video to anybody that we know.
Okay, so you're kind of going maybe for something like that.
I kind of like this if I'm like, like, it's a swoopy.
Sort of like up like that? Okay.
Yeah.
Kind of do like that?
That'd be
Okay.
good. Alright. I'm never good.
Oh, you're fine, you're fine. All right, and so then when you go to put this on, you want to kind of eyeball it, how you want it to sort of set on there. So maybe something like that.
Sure.
And then you got to kind of think in your mind, like, so how is this gonna connect? So I'm gonna have to cut this at an angle, and then this sort of at like the opposite angle.
Okay. Are the ends going to be just a little bit thinner?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm gonna cut a good amount off.
Oops. It's becoming a femur.
A femur. Well, yeah. Here, you might want to use mine instead.
This looks like a dog bone.
Right.
Yeah, see
How wet are these?
They're not super wet.
If you don't leave that big chunk, then you don't get that dramatic.
So something like that.
Yeah, you don't have enough
Thinning.
to squish.
Yeah.
Check it.
So you.
What do you mean the?
At the end, she was wondering why.
Oh,
there was a
oh,
big
oh, oh.
lump at the end.
Gotcha. Okay.
Because then he does.
So I'd say something like that, maybe. And so then put it on.
Don't you score?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I'm gonna mark it off really quick first.
That's good.
For attaching this dryness.
Are you paying attention?
Well, I know how to score an ad. Maybe.
God, I hope I can cut the audio.
Did you get that on there?
No, that's
Take
the
that
commercial
off.
break.
I forgot she was whatever. Take that off. Do not put that in there.
Yes, she is. She wants to remember us how we were.
I'll like put a subtitle.
So you don't need slip. A lot easier. Let's go.
But you got to get it like right where you want it because I don't think it moves once it gets up there with.
Ooh, that's good.
But